Hey guys, my name is Casey Star. You already know. So just yesterday, I talked about how I want my 2026 to be. Before I dive into this video, Happy New Year. I hope that this year brings you a lot of joy, happiness, love, and lots of money. So I said I want my 2026 to be a year which I am focused, which I go deep into content creation. And to achieve that, I decided to do a 100 days content challenge. Now, today is day one of that 100 days content challenge, and I realized so many people don't really know how to use ChatGPT. I've probably never heard of ChatGPT. So I decided to start off teaching you guys how to use ChatGPT. Now we're going to learn how to use ChatGPT as an AI tool to grow our business, to learn a skill, all for free. Because learning a skill is very important, but the most important is applying this skill into your personal life or your business or whatever. So AI is here to stay and is here to help us both as an individual and as a business person. So without further ado, let's go deep into learning ChatGPT and how to use it to search for courses which you can learn. Again, everything we're going to be learning here is going to be for free. No gatekeeping. Everything is quite intentional. I've researched about it. So if there's going to be any tool or any video that I share with you that requires payment, definitely I'm going to say it here in this video and in the course of this content challenge. Now let's go into my computer and let me show you what ChatGPT is. All right, guys, so this is my Google, right? So the first thing you want to do if you want to start using ChatGPT is to actually search for ChatGPT, and this is it, right? So this first one is what you want to click on, and then it takes you to the interface, but mine is taking me directly because I'm already logged into ChatGPT. You can see it here. So but yours might show the interface where you have to input your email, either using Google, I think Google or Facebook, or just inputting your email, inputting your password, and then it will bring out the ChatGPT interface. So I am using the free version, right? But I also have the paid version, but I want to show you that you can actually do this without having to pay, without having to use the paid version. So if in case you want to upgrade later on, right, this is the prices for the paid version. There's the 7K, there's 1K, there's almost 300K version, right, of the ChatGPT, and you can see all the features and all the benefit of having to use the paid version. But this free version also serves just as well, right? But it is actually very, very useful for, so if you have 7K, I'd advise you to just go for the paid version. But here we are, and like I said, everything we want to learn and everything we want to use, we'll try to make it be for free, right? So here now is the ChatGPT interface. You have your new chat, you have where to search for the chats that you already started using, you have images, you have apps. So inside apps you have a lot of apps that have been integrated with ChatGPT. There's Adobe Photoshop, there's bookings.com, there's Apple Music, there's Canva, there's Figma. There's so many apps that have been integrated using OpenAI. OpenAI are the people that created ChatGPT, right? So inside that you have so many, inside here you have so many apps that you can use. You have Explore ChatGPT. So if you want to explore if you want to explore other GPTs, right, that have been created using OpenAI, then you can come here and just explore. Can you see there's so many other GPTs that are here that you can use, that are productive for you. You can use them in 2026 to make work easy, to make life easy for you. And there is the image generator. This one you can use to generate, I'm sure you've seen so many AI images, right, that people have been generating. This is what some people use to generate AI images for, you know, if it's storytelling, if it's advertisement, if it's graphics. Some people generate images here. But the main feature that I really love about ChatGPT is that you can create projects. So I can decide to create a project under Black Studios. Black Studios is a company that I'm building, literally for video content creations and photography and the likes, media in general. So I can say boss, that's Black OK Studios, and click on create project. So everything that I am working on for Black OK Studios, whether it's research or anything, is going to be inside this project, right? So everything, even files, I can add files and put inside this project. So let me just give an example. Let me just type something and just click here. Let's see what ChatGPT. It looks like that message might have been sent by mistake. See. So I just want to show you that everything that I'm working on under project boss is going to be under boss, right? It's not going to be under any other project, right? So this is going to be under boss. So let's use ChatGPT to look for courses that we can learn in 2026. I'm just going to click on new chat, and under new chat I'm going to type, oh, let me even do one thing. There's this feature that I also love. Like if I don't want to start typing like this, I can literally just use this dictate feature. So I can dictate it. ChatGPT is going to pick my voice and it's going to send in the prompt for me. And once I click on enter, it's going to generate answers to the question I've asked. So we're going to try that now. So instead of typing it, I'm just going to click here. And hello ChatGPT, how are you doing today? Okay, so I would like you to generate for me 10 good courses that I can learn and practicalize that can actually earn me money in 2026. Also, inside these 10 courses, I would like you to generate free platforms where I can learn these courses very easily, step by step. Now give me answers to this, and I'll click that. After it has transcribed my voice, I will now click on enter, and now let's wait for ChatGPT to give us answers. Oh yeah, ChatGPT actually knows my name because by the time you start using it, the tool, for a long period of time, it now knows your name, it now knows who you are, it now knows what you like. So the more you use it, the more ChatGPT becomes user-friendly to you. So let's just see what it has given to us. So below are 10 practical high-income courses, skills for 2026, choosing because they are 1, in high and global demand, 2, they are low to medium cost to start, they can earn in dollars and can be learned for free step by step. So the first one is social media management, and this is a very, very good course to learn. Where can you learn this, right? You can learn in Meta Blueprint. Yes, Facebook actually have a platform where you can learn what they're selling. You can learn about their product. Facebook and Meta has a lot of products under its name. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Thread, all of these things are under Meta, and they're saying that you can learn from Meta Blueprint for free how to do Facebook ads, how to use Instagram, all of this free and structured. Another platform is HubSpot Academy. Yes, I've tried using HubSpot. It's actually very good. I didn't finish the course I was learning there back in the day. So, but again, I said all of these things we're going to do together. We're going to learn together. As you're learning, I am also learning. And this is not a time for you to just say, I'm just going to learn and that's it. We're going to learn and we're going to apply this knowledge in our daily lives and in our businesses, and even help other people grow. Right? So YouTube is the biggest platform. YouTube has one of the largest library of videos, whether courses, whether music, anything that you want to learn, YouTube has it. So yes, they are very correct for adding YouTube to this learning platform. And then we have Google Digital Garage. Yes, there's Google Digital Garage and there's Google Academy that you can use to learn for free. All those platforms, the Meta Blueprints, the HubSpot Academy, the YouTube, the Google Garage, all of these are perfect for you to learn. The number 2 skill is digital marketing, from beginner to advanced. from amateur to pro. What you learn from here is how to run ads, how to do funnels, how to do campaigns, how to do sales pages, and these are skills that you can start learning from today for free. And most of these tools gives you certificates after learning. Number 3 skill is AI tools and prompt engineering. This is exactly what we're doing right now. How to. The first step is learning how to use this, knowing about the tool. So yes, and there are so many AI tools now that have been developed for us to use, right? You don't even need to learn how to code to use most of these AI tools. And prompt engineering is literally how you prompt. Like, this is prompting. Prompting is just the text you put, right? So that ChatGPT will be able to understand in simple English, like what we speak, and be able to generate text for you. That's basically what prompt engineering is. What you input and how you input it, how you layer it in such a way that ChatGPT will understand it and give you a better output. Can you see the output that ChatGPT generated for us? That's what prompt engineering is. So if I put a different prompt here, it might not even give us detail like this. And don't forget, we're actually using the free version. So AI tools and prompt engineering is also very important. Company need AI developers and people that know how to use these AI tools very well, and people that know how to do prompt engineering very well to get good results. So where can you learn this? You can learn it from OpenAI itself. I remember saying, I think at the beginning of this video, that AI, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT is being developed by OpenAI. Those are the that's the company that developed ChatGPT. So they're saying that, oh, in our own platform, we can teach you how to use our tools. And then you can also learn this from deeplearning.ai. Deeplearning.ai provide free courses for you. YouTube, always. GitHub, prompt libraries. GitHub is basically used for software developers, software engineers, those that do coding most of the time. But yeah, you can explore around these things, and you can combine these AI tools and prompt engineering with other skill and make money off it. Number 4 is content creation with phone. With phone, you don't have to buy a big laptop. What I decided to do this year is to really immerse myself in content creation, right? So if I want to learn more as a content creator, where and which platform can I go to? Number 1, TikTok Creator Academy. See, most of these people will give you, are you ready to learn? They will literally provide the tool, the platform for you to learn how to use their product very well, so that you'll be able to produce good content, be able to have better knowledge, and actually use their product better. So TikTok, everyone is on TikTok, everyone is using TikTok. But how are you using TikTok in such a way that it helps you to grow? It helps you to learn, to gain knowledge, and it helps you to even use the knowledge and make money, right? So you can actually go onto the TikTok Creator Academy. You can go to YouTube, and it has provided the exact place where you can learn this thing. Instagram Creators Hub. Okay, this is new to me. I never knew Instagram has a Creators Hub, but now that I've known, you see why I said it is good that we are doing this together, because me and you will learn in the course of this journey. So now I know that it's what they call Instagram Creators Hub, and I'm going to go check it out after this video. CapCut Tutorials Official. So CapCut even has where you can learn how to use your app. So please, by all means, involve yourself in content creating, because it is very, very soon, like in the near future, content creation is going to be one of the biggest business in the world, not just even in Nigeria or in Africa, in the world, because everyone needs content. So there are going to be those that create the content, and there are going to be those that absorb and consume the content. Which one are you going to be? Number 5 is video editing. Video editing is a beautiful course to learn. if you love storytelling, video editing is good for you, right? And you can edit videos for YouTube creators. You can edit videos for YouTubers. You can edit videos for those that do podcasts, for reels. Like video editing is wide. You can do for filming. You can do for even skit makers. They need their videos to be edited. So you can learn this skill from YouTube, learn this skill from Adobe tutorials, learn this skill from TikTok. Even though there's even TikTok editing tutorials. Wow, I have no idea. Guys, we're learning a lot from this. We're learning a lot from ChatGPT. So go on to your own research to use YouTube, use CapCut, use Adobe tutorials, use TikTok to learn new skill. Number 6 skill that you can learn is virtual assistants. Everyone wants to be a virtual assistant, but nobody is ready to do the work to becoming a virtual assistant. And I, for one, I am a virtual assistant. I'm not going to say the company I work with, but yeah, I've been doing virtual assistant for 1 year. In fact, I've been doing virtual assistant all my life, but I decided to now start using it to make money just last year. And it's fun. You get to meet people, you get to connect with people remotely from your parlor, from your bedroom. In fact, you can be working from inside your toilet with your boxers. Nobody's seeing you. The only time you probably get to see your clients is if he or she requires that, okay, we get on a video call, or if your company decides to do a team bonding at the end of the year and say, okay, all ye remote workers will come outside, let's get together, let's sit, let's drink, let's dine, let's wine, right? But aside from that, for work, you just need to have your laptop. Sometimes, depending on the type of virtual assistant you are, you just even need to have a phone and a good network. Network is very important. You need to have a steady internet. And I know it's a hassle for people in Nigeria. Network is always a problem, but God will help us. So learn this skill. Where can you learn virtual assistant for free? You can also learn from YouTube. Right? You can learn virtual assistant from YouTube. You can learn from HubSpot Academy. You can learn from Google Workspace training. So Google Workspace even have training. I had no idea. And then Notion templates. Oh yeah, Notion is something I've been using. You can even see it from here that I use Notion all the time to arrange my tasks, and especially because I like to do what they call to do. I like to create a to do list of everything I have to do per day. So I just go there and just type. It's very easy. You can integrate every app into it, and it helps with workflow. Number 7 is copywriting. Copywriting is beautiful. It's beautiful. You want to run ads, you need a copywriter. You want to do sales page, you want to do email, you want to do captions, you want to do promotion, you need a copywriter to give you the right words that will catch the attention of your audience or your consumers, right? Depending on what you're selling. And where can you learn this skill? You can learn it from HubSpot Academy. You can learn it from Copy Hackers blog. You can also learn from YouTube, and this is the exact person where they generated a name, so that means this person is really doing well in copywriting. So you can go ahead and search for this person on YouTube and go through what they are teaching, so you can learn from Medium. So number 8 is let's run with speed. Number 8 is selling digital products, courses, ebooks, templates. Where can you learn how to create digital products? You can learn from YouTube. Jade Beeson and Think Media provide content around this, so you can go check them out. You can learn from Gumroad University, Paystack, and Seller Blogs. Yes, I use Seller a lot. Seller is a beautiful platform, and I've been using them for the longest of time. I also introduced someone to Seller. She has been making a lot of money with it. Notion creator resources too. You can go ahead and check this out. Number 9, I want us to run with speed because this video is getting longer than expected. Number 9 is web design. Yes, now there's what they call no code web designing. You don't have to code, you don't have to write a line of code, but yet still design beautiful website. Now where can you learn this? You can learn from WordPress.org tutorials. Yeah, WordPress has a tutorial bank where you can learn how to use their platform to create websites, right? So they teach you on how to design websites using their own platform, because yes, you can use WordPress to design a landing page, you can use to design a website, you can use to design an e-commerce store, right, where you can sell your products all for free. Trust me guys, all for free. The only time you're going to be paying is if you probably want to host or you want to launch so that the whole world can now see your platform. Then you can now decide to buy a domain, a unique domain name, maybe .com or .co or .uk or whatever, right, and then host it online so that everyone can now see your product. But other than that, you can use WordPress for free to create and design your product, right? To design your website rather. Then you can also go to Webflow University. You can go to YouTube. By the way, if you want to search for all of these things, if you want to get to know these platforms, you can just go to YouTube and like literally just type out their name and they'll bring. Let's try it out now. Look at it will bring it out for you. Literally just copy and paste on Google and you're good to go. Also, YouTube has, of course, the biggest library. Google UX free resources, you can use that to learn. Number 10 is cloud computing. Where can you learn how to do Google? So where can you learn how to use cloud computing? AWS free training. You can learn from that. You can learn from Google Cloud Skills Boost. You can learn from Microsoft Learn. You can learn from YouTube under Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp has the biggest, if I'm not mistaken, has the biggest library of video courses. Literally anything you want to learn. Coding, Photoshop, content creation, Facebook ad, Microsoft Excel, from amateur to from beginner to advanced is there. Everything is there. I've used them to learn one particular course like that I was trying to get into. So yeah, Free Code Camp is really a good place to learn. So just go to YouTube, right, and search for Free Code Camp and you see like they have a playlist, so you can just check out their playlist and pick one course there and learn. So if you want fast money in 2026, focus on what? These 5 courses. Number 1, social media management. Number 2, content creation. Number 3, AI tools and automation. Number 4, digital product copywriting. So ChatGPT has suggested 5 courses you can learn in 2026 that will start generating you money. You can see that number 1 is social media management. So when I say I'm really going to be key on growing my social media and helping you guys grow too. And number 2 is content creation. I already said it too. I'm immersing myself in content creation in the year 2026. Let me not lie to you. You will need to make money. Lots and lots of it. And if you learn this skill, master this skill, you can make 6 figures. You can even make more than 6 figures out of this. There are people that know how to do these 5 things. There are people that have learned it. Social media management, content creation, AI tools and automation, digital product creation, copywriting. I actually know, I think 3 of these. I know social media management, I know content creation. But I'm going to learn more and I'll advise you to do the same. This is what ChatGPT is about. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm starting with teaching you how to use ChatGPT so that in the course of our 100 days content challenge, you know how to use it as a tool to make research, as a tool to grow yourself, as a tool to grow your business. So here are 10 courses that ChatGPT has brought for us that you can leverage on in 2026 and where you can actually learn these courses all for free, right? All for free. There are also other platforms that you can use. There's the Google Academy, there's Skillshare, there's Udemy. Udemy is a paid platform, and after learning they will give you a certificate. Of course you have to pay and then they'll give you the certificate. There's Allison is also free, right? Allison is free, and after learning from Allison they give you a free certificate, right? So aside from all of this, so if you need the certificate, so the idea is you can learn from YouTube, you can learn from these free platforms, and then you can go to Udemy just for the certificate. I'm just giving you scope on how some people do it. They learn for free. They don't buy any course. You just go to these platforms that ChatGPT has generated for us here, learn everything, practicalize. They start even using the course to earn. But some people, because they want to get jobs, they now need certificate to show that, okay, yes, I am a web developer, yes, I'm a web designer. They just go to, Coursera, or they go to Udemy just for the certificate. So I am going to create a document, a PDF document of these 10 courses you can learn and where to learn each and every one of them. So if you'd like me to send you that document, please comment in the comment section, send, and I'll send it directly to your inbox or to your email as provided. This wraps up day 1 of my 100 days content challenge, and I'll see you in the next video. Love and light.